Welcome back guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video we'll be informing you about a latest growing threat, and this threat is actually spreading throughout the WhatsApp community and they are targeting the WhatsApp users. So what is it? Let me open my WhatsApp account for this. Okay, so today in the morning I got a text from my friend called Aarti. The text was rechargepromos.com, send this to 15 people and get rupees 200 for free. This is really working. So the text is as if she herself has sent me the text, but actually it is not. It is the website that she have used. Okay, now let me open the website for further details. I'll be using the browser here. Okay, this website is saying recharge for free. Congratulations, you have been invited to win rupees 200 recharge. Enter your details to get a recharge of rupees 200. And in the below section they are showing some number which have won rupees 200 recharge. So guys, let me tell you here, this website is totally a fake website and the number they're showing is only for decoration purpose, so that their website seems to be true, a real website. Okay, now let me put my number here, which is a Vodafone number 98360 and I'll be choosing the operator as Airtel. Okay, I have used my Vodafone number and I am choosing the operator as Airtel, just to show you that this is a totally fake website and they do not show any sort of prompt that is you are using a Vodafone number and giving the operator as Airtel. So this proves the website is free. Not free actually, this is fake. Now let me here they are giving a task actually. Invite your 10 WhatsApp friends and 5 WhatsApp group to claim your recharge. That is, they are trying to spread their website. So I am not going to invite anyone. I will be simply bypassing the website here, bypassing the website URL, for which I'll just simply change the URL. I'll change the invite into final. Now let me just do this. I'll be changing this invite into final and I'll simply press the go button. Okay, so I am in the final step here. In the final step they are asking me to download an app, not an app. They are asking me to download 3 apps, install app of the day 2 and app of the day 3. So they are actually asking us to install this app, and after that we'll be getting the recharge. That is what they are saying. But here I'll be telling you this is completely fake, and I'll be moving to their terms and conditions here. In the point number 3 they are saying that they will be giving the amount to only 3 people and not more than that, for which we need to send them an email, etc, etc. But you can ask any of your friends who have tried these apps or this website, none of them have got the recharge, because this is a fake website and these websites are generally owned by foreign companies and they actually buy a domain, add their AdSense account, Google AdSense account to this, for which Google pay them. So why Google pay them? Google pay them because they actually made us to click on their ads. Now the question is, where is the ads? This install app of the day 2 and app of the day 3, these are actually the advertisement. And not only this, they are actually getting a lots of hit in their websites by doing all these stuff. So actually they want us to click on this, which I am not going to do. Now let me here show you a rough calculation. Actually, as per my knowledge, the Google provide them with $0.2 for every app we install or for every clicks we do on these various ads. Now I'll be moving to another tab here. I'll show you an calculation. Okay, I'll be using the Google calculator here. Now suppose I have been asked to refer 15 friends, and those 15 will be referring another 15, and the group of 225 will be referring another 225. Therefore the value becomes 50625. Now stopping here, each and every user will be downloading the app thrice or will be clicking on the ad 3 times, that is into 3. Now Google will be paying the website owner $0.2 for every click or for every download, that is into 0.2. The value becomes 30,375. Now this entire value is in dollar, therefore converting it into Indian rupee into, well, taking the value of dollar to be 66. Can you imagine? It's 20,04,750, that is 2 million. The website owner is earning 2 million for free just by fooling people like you and me. Now let me go into the site again. So guys, you can ask any of your friends who have tried websites like this and everyone will say that they have not got the recharge even after completing each and every steps. These are entirely fake website, and we hope that this video was enough to show you that these websites are fake. So this is your responsibility being a citizen of India, that do not click on such stuffs and do not visit these websites, because money from India is getting drained to other countries from stuffs like this. And please share this video with all of your family members, friends and others, letting them know that these things are really bad and this need to be stopped. So this is our channel signing off. Hope you have liked the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Stay happy, stay blessed, have a good day.